Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this brand new 2023 Aviara 32 or AV32. So this is 32 feet in length. This boat, you can see it has a nice white hull side with the gray accent. And then the gray accent also goes right with the tower, and then the white up underneath that tower as well. So let's go to the back here. We got a nice swim platform here on the transom. We've got, obviously it's a twin engine boat being 32 feet in length. And then we have the nice submersible swim platform. So you press a button, this will go down into the water. So when you're hanging out, it's a nice little place to hang out. So we got a nice big swim platform, a lot of stuff to see on the interior. Let's go up and take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this AV32. Like I said, there's a lot to talk about, and we're gonna start here at the transom. So this is obviously where you can kind of hanging out, you're anchored out somewhere and you're hanging out with the family. It's one of the coolest things I've seen. I don't see a lot of other boats like this. So I have it set up right now. We got the nice bench seats in the back here. You got somebody that can sit right up front here. Basically what that looks like, you just lift this up. There's a little button under here. And these pop right up. You can have a couple people just sitting right here, sitting in front of you. It's a really cool place to sit. You've got cup holders on both sides and then plenty of space on the swim deck. So let's take a look at the interior now. So as we come in, we've got nice sea deck on the floor, some nice gradual steps that get you right into the cockpit. We got your L-shaped seating all the way around. There is a table that can go into here, so if you are hanging out, you can put that table out and everybody can kind of be surrounded around it, which is great. We've got some storage underneath here. If we lift this up, we got another place for some ice or just a little storage area. I got a nice little pull out for a carry-on cooler. Really easy to put on, pull out. We've got storage underneath here with another cooler. Those all open up, they're all on hinges as well. So just want to look at the hardtop real quick. We got some nice lighting that comes up into here. You can change those colors throughout the boat because it does come up in here as well. And then if we come up to the helm, we've got a double helm chair right here. Both of them have bolsters, so you can pull that up. Two people can sit side by side or just one person. Like I said, it is a twin engine. This has got the Elmore engines in here. You can control with both of these throttles or just do the one. And then you can control it right at the helm here. So if you're docking, it makes it just a lot easier. You can twist it, go backwards, forwards, make you look like a pro. It's awesome. And then right up here, we got a nice big SIMRAD system. You can kind of see everything if you need to go through GPS, anywhere you're going on the water. I got another screen over here that kind of gives you information about your fuel and a couple other things. And then you got it's almost like an iPad right here, so I can press on the hard top. As far as the lights go, I can take care of all my my volume for my stereo system. Whatever it is that you need to go, it is right in here at the press of a button. Pretty easy to use, so really neat right up here. So on those really hot days, there is the sunshade option. So up at the helm, you've got a button right there. You can just click that button. This opens all the way up, and it can protect you from those really hot days. All right, let's take a look at the head unit in this 32 footer. It's a very deep head, so you've got lots of space as you step down into there. You got a sink down in here. You've got some storage. Really easy to use on this 32. We'll come up to the bow. So a nice big bow for the 32 feet. We got some seating here, seating all the way around, some storage in the floor, cup holders. You got control of your stereo unit up here as well, grab handles. Nice and deep. You're going to feel very safe in this 32 footer. And then the last thing is the windlass. So you have access to your windlass up here. So AV32 Aviara, just a beautiful boat. They make a really nice high quality product. So this boat's here in our Rogers location. So if you'd like to stop on by anytime or give us a call and you can set up an appointment, we'll walk you through it. And as always, please click the like button and then click to subscribe as we're putting out videos every day. Thank you.